Hi guys. Sorry I'm not here for Meet the Teacher night and first days of school, but I'm in the hospital right now. I just gave birth, so I'll be back soon. So I just want to give you a tour of your classroom. So every day when you come in, you'll come in the front door and you'll stop. So here's the room. Let me give you a whole tour. Sorry if the lighting's bad. It's kind of late in the afternoon, so the sun's coming in. So when you first come in, you'll stop right here at the podium. And this is where you'll sign in. It'll take about a week before we get sign-in sheets when they get all the schedules right, but that's where you'll sign in. And then you'll head to your seat in one of these groups and put your stuff down. If you've been absent, you always want to check this board. This is where your papers will be. And if you're ever missing a grade and you know you did it, if you didn't put your name on it, this is where it'll be. So after you've put your stuff down, if you're in algebra, you're going to come straight ahead to this bulletin board. It says algebra. If you're in geometry, you're going to turn around, and there's the geometry board. It looks just the same, except it says geometry at the top. So on this board, you have what materials you'll need today. You'll read that list. You'll have an essential question, and how are we doing? And in this blank space will be your agenda. It'll be printed out. I'm still working on that. I've got to get those printed. Your essential question will be what you need for the day in your notes. The how are we doing will have the results from the last test you took as a bar graph, kind of showing you how you did as a whole class compared to the other classes. And then whatever materials you need will be written up there. This is a dry erase thing, so we can write on it every day. And it'll tell you if you need scissors, glue, colored pencils, highlighters, or whatnot. And so then you go right over here to the student supplies, right next to the bulletin board. And I'm going to back up. This is kind of your station. Everything you could possibly need is either right here in these cubbies in the corner or on this table. This table has what you use every day. Kleenex, staplers, hole punches, pencil sharpeners, extra pencils. The baskets will have handouts in them, things like that. This over here has things you need occasionally that you might have to gather. Everything's labeled. There's crayons, markers, map pencils, glue, scissors, highlighters, dry erase markers, all that kind of stuff. And then this top is where you find like handouts and papers and stuff that we use on a regular basis. It's all labeled. Here, these are papers that have been graded and ready to return by class period. And then the blue binders, as it says, are extra copies. So you've lost something, you don't have to come and ask me. You can just take a look and find it. Okay? This isn't just my classroom, but it's your classroom. I want you to be able to get what you need. There's also a little one box here that has folders in it. We all have that day where our binder busts open or we've forgotten our binder and we need somewhere to put our stuff that we got that day. So you need a folder, grab a folder. Some are new, some are used, some are better than others, but those are yours. We continue around the room. So this is the table that had the pencils and the handouts on it. We come over to this corner, and these are our turn-in boxes. We have first, second, third, fifth, sixth, and seventh period. Okay? Coming up, we've got a word wall. And then here's the same bulletin board for geometry that we had on the other side. We keep going around the room. And we've got all of our tables, group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. We come back up here, and everything you see over here from the maroon table all the way behind my desk, all the way over here to the pink bulletin board is my space. Okay, you have your space, I have my space. You do not touch anything on my desk. You do not take anything from behind my desk. You do not go behind my desk without permission. Okay, that is my space. Okay, this bulletin board is all about me and my family, so have fun checking that out and learning a little bit. We'll talk more about it when I get back. And one last thing, almost forgot, right up here next to the I was absent board, this is where our hall passes are. They're magnetized, so those are there for that. And then we're back to the door. And that's our room.